Yeah, so hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm back with a very interesting tips and tricks, with some very interesting tips and tricks, and you can watch it just in few seconds. And before starting, I just want to say that I can provide all types of video. You just have to comment this down there so that I will provide you that video. And that last thing, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys. So let's start the video. Yep. So here we are on first trick of today, that how you can just like do this, write it up, and your search engine will detect that. As you can see, I have written what, and it has detected it by itself. So for this, you just have to go one sec. Just let me close this tab up, and then this does give or this. You just have to go to your google.com.pk, the home screen of Google. You just have to go to settings and go to handwriting. Here is the option handwriting. It's gonna be disabled on your phone. You just have to enable that, and then save. Click on save, and your settings will be saved. And now you can write anything on your phone, and it's gonna be searched just by writing it anywhere on the phone. So this was the first trick. Now for the second tip. So our second tip is here. If you want, so here we are on our second tip, and it's just like if you have any issue with solving your math problems, you can solve it by this. You just have to put the question in front of this camera, and it'll detect the problem. And as you can see, it's giving me the solution, step-by-step solution, and it's all here. As you can see, it's even giving me formulas. It can give you any if it can give you solution to any problem of your mathematics, and as you can see, it's all here. Yeah, so I hope you like this tip also, and let's get to the third tip. And yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. The name of this app is Photomath. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store, anywhere. So our third tip is how you can earn money from your phone app. This app name is Earn Money, and video app. You can earn money from here just by watching video. As you can see, if I click earn, I have already earned $8.6, and it shows click to watch, open the video by YouTube, watch the video for 43 seconds. For this, you just have to go to see the video for 43 seconds, or it also gives a download app option, and you can download this app from your Play Store. So this is how you can earn money. And if you click on the payment option, you can see there are many options from PayPal, but the minimum amount you can withdraw is $40. You can also get views from this amount. All you have to do is just to click on share. You have to give the link of your video here, and you will get views on your YouTube video. So these are some tips and tricks, and our fourth tip. Yeah, so that's it. It's all for today, and these are some of tips and tricks from your Android. The top three tips and tricks for today, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you had any problem with it, if you want anything, you can comment us down there, and we will provide you that. Thank you very much.